7 superseeds that supercharge cancer-fighting gut bacteria. What if one of your body's best weapons in the fight against cancer wasn't some futuristic drug, but something hiding in your kitchen right now? Not a pill or a powder, but tiny, humble seeds. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But a growing wave of scientific research is uncovering a deep connection between these nutritional powerhouses, the trillions of bacteria in your gut, and your body's natural defenses. Now, before we go any further, let's get one thing straight. No single food can prevent or cure cancer. That's a fact. And we need to start there. We're not talking about a magic bullet today. We're talking about a strategy. It's about using food to create an environment inside your body, specifically your gut, that's robust, resilient, and ready to support your immune system. We're talking about building a formidable defense, one meal at a time. You've probably heard about the gut microbiome, that bustling community of microbes in your gut. We now know it's a major player in your overall health. These bacteria influence everything from your mood to your metabolism, and most importantly, your immune system. When it comes to cancer risk, a healthy and diverse microbiome is one of your greatest allies. These tiny helpers can break down parts of our food into powerful compounds that may help suppress tumor growth and dial down inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases. So today we're going to break down the science behind 7 specific seeds. We'll explore how they fuel the good bacteria in your gut and arm your body with the compounds it needs to stay strong. We'll unpack the studies, explain how it works, and give you some delicious, practical ways to make them a part of your daily routine. Section 1. The lignan powerhouse. Flax seeds. First on our list is a seed that's getting a lot of buzz from scientists, flaxseed. These small golden or brown seeds are probably the most researched on our list for their potential role in reducing cancer risk. What makes flax seeds so special? They're the richest known dietary source of plant compounds called lignans. In fact, they can contain anywhere from 75 to 800 times more lignans than most other plant foods. But here's where it gets really interesting. The lignans themselves aren't the full story. When you eat flax seeds, the bacteria in your gut get to work, metabolizing these lignans into even more potent compounds, mainly enterolactone and enterodiol. These are then absorbed by your body and are thought to have hormone balancing and anti-inflammatory effects. This isn't just a theory. The link between flaxseed and breast cancer has been tested in human clinical trials. In one standout study, postmenopausal women recently diagnosed with breast cancer were given a muffin with 25 grams of flaxseed every day for about a month between their biopsy and surgery. The results were pretty incredible. Compared to the group that ate a regular muffin, the women who ate flaxseed showed a significant drop in tumor cell proliferation, a major increase in cancer cell death, and a decrease in the expression of a gene tied to more aggressive tumors. While more research is always needed, this suggests that dietary flaxseed might have a direct, measurable impact on tumors in just a few weeks. Beyond lignans, flax seeds are also a fantastic source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory powers. Plus, they're loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is crucial for keeping your digestion regular and feeding those good gut microbes. To get the most out of them, you've got to eat them ground. Your body can't break down the tough outer shell of whole seeds, so they'll pass right through you otherwise. You can buy them pre-ground or just blitz a small batch in a coffee grinder and keep it in the fridge. A tablespoon or two is a great place to start. Toss it in smoothies, stir it into oatmeal or yogurt, or use it in your baking. Section 2, the omega 3 and fiber champion, chia seeds. Next up are chia seeds, which have become incredibly popular and for good reason. Just like flax, chia seeds are a powerhouse of fiber and the plant-based omega 3, ALA. This duo is a 1-2 punch for gut health. When you soak chia seeds, they form a unique gel. This is thanks to their high soluble fiber content. This gel is a prebiotic, providing a feast for the good bacteria in your gut. As these bacteria chow down on the fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate. Butyrate is a total rock star for your gut. It's the main fuel for the cells lining your colon, helping to keep your gut barrier strong and healthy. A strong barrier is key to preventing leaky gut, where toxins can slip into your bloodstream and cause inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer development. The ALA omega 3s in chia seeds also help cool down inflammation throughout the body. While you might see some wild claims online, the foundational role of chia seeds in promoting a healthy, low inflammation gut is well supported. Early lab and animal studies have hinted that compounds in chia might inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, but that research is still in its infancy and hasn't been shown in humans. One of the easiest ways to get your chia fix is by making a simple chia pudding. Just stir 2 tablespoons of seeds into a half cup of your favorite milk, maybe add a touch of maple syrup, and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. It turns into a delicious, pudding-like snack that's packed with fiber and healthy fats. You can also just sprinkle them on salads or blend them into smoothies. If you're getting value from this no-hype, science-backed approach to health, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Our goal is to give you clear, actionable information you can actually use. The vitamin E protector, sunflower seeds. Our third seed, the humble sunflower seed, is often overlooked, but it packs a serious nutritional punch. Its standout nutrient is vitamin E. A single 1-ounce serving of sunflower seeds can deliver nearly half of your daily dose of this powerful antioxidant. Think of vitamin E as the repair crew for your gut lining. It plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of that barrier, separating your gut from the rest of your body. A strong gut barrier is your first line of defense against the kind of chronic, low-grade inflammation that contributes to many diseases, including cancer. On top of vitamin E, sunflower seeds contain selenium, another important antioxidant that helps with DNA repair and clearing out damaged cells. Some lab research has explored whether compounds in sunflower seeds could help slow the growth of mutated cells, but this is still an active area of investigation. One thing to keep in mind is that sunflower seeds are higher in omega-6 fatty acids. We need omega-6s, but most modern diets have way too many of them compared to omega-3s, a ratio that can actually promote inflammation. So it's best to enjoy sunflower seeds in moderation as part of a balanced diet that's also rich in omega-3s from foods like flax, chia, and fatty fish. Enjoy a handful of roasted sunflower seeds as a snack, or sprinkle them over salads and stir fries for a satisfying crunch. Section 4. The ancient seed for digestive harmony, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have been grown for thousands of years and are a cornerstone of many traditional cuisines. They might be white or black, but they all share some core benefits. Like flax seeds, sesame seeds are rich in lignans, especially compounds called sesamin and sesamol. In lab studies, these compounds have shown strong antioxidant properties. They work by neutralizing unstable molecules called free radicals, which cause oxidative stress that can damage your cells and DNA, a process linked to aging and cancer. From a gut health perspective, sesame seeds are believed to support healthy bile flow and fat digestion, which are essential for absorbing nutrients and getting rid of waste. They're also a good source of fiber, magnesium, and iron. While we need more human research on a direct link between sesame seeds and cancer prevention, their role in supporting basic digestive functions and providing potent antioxidants makes them a great addition to a gut-healthy diet. Their nutty flavor really comes alive when you toast them for a few minutes in a dry pan. Sprinkle them on avocado toast, roasted veggies, or Asian-inspired dishes. The prebiotic powerhouse, pomegranate seeds. When you eat pomegranate, you're enjoying those juicy, ruby red sacs called arils. But don't spit out the crunchy little seed inside. The whole package, the juice and the seed, is loaded with powerful plant compounds called elegitannins. Much like the lignans in flax, your body doesn't absorb these elegitannins directly. Instead, your gut microbiome transforms them into a fascinating molecule called urolithin A. Scientists are incredibly excited about urolithin A for its potential anti-aging and disease-fighting properties. It appears to trigger a process called mitophagy, which is basically your body's cleanup crew for old, malfunctioning mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. This cellular spring cleaning is especially important for immune cells, like the T cells that are on the front lines fighting off invaders and cancerous cells. By helping to rejuvenate these immune cells, urolithin A may keep them more effective and resilient. This very mechanism has led researchers to investigate pomegranate metabolites for their potential role in preventing and treating colon and prostate cancer. It's important to know that your ability to produce urolithin A depends on having the right kind of bacteria in your gut. But eating foods rich in these precursor compounds like pomegranates is a fantastic way to encourage those beneficial microbes to thrive. Pomegranate seeds are best eaten raw. Enjoy them on their own, or sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and a potent prebiotic boost. The magnesium mineral master, pumpkin seeds, often associated with Halloween pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a year-round nutritional star that deserve a regular spot in your pantry. Their claim to fame is their incredibly high magnesium content. Magnesium is a mineral that just doesn't get the credit it deserves. It's like a busy manager for over 300 different enzymatic reactions in the body, essential for everything from producing energy and building DNA to controlling blood sugar. If you're low on magnesium, these fundamental processes can get disrupted, potentially contributing to a state of chronic inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are also a fantastic source of fiber and plant-based protein, making them a really satisfying blood sugar stabilizing snack. While they don't have the same volume of cancer-specific research as flax seeds, their role in providing essential minerals and supporting overall metabolic health is undeniable. A body with a healthy metabolic system and well-nourished cells is a body that can defend itself. Enjoy pumpkin seeds roasted with a pinch of sea salt, or use them as a crunchy topping for soups, salads, and grain bowls. The soothing fiber seed, basil seeds. Our final seed, the basil seed, might be less common in Western kitchens, but has a long history in Ayurvedic and Southeast Asian traditions. Also known as subja seeds, they have a really cool property. When soaked in water, they swell up even faster than chia seeds, forming a thick, gelatinous coat. While basil seeds don't have specific cancer-related research behind them, like some of our other seeds, they play a fantastic supporting role in foundational gut health. Their main benefit comes from their huge amount of soluble fiber. This fiber is excellent for promoting digestive regularity and can be especially soothing for people who deal with bloating. The gel they form adds bulk and helps to gently move things along. This fiber also helps to stabilize blood sugar by slowing down how quickly you absorb carbs, which is key for managing inflammation and overall metabolic health. Think of basil seeds as a tool for digestive comfort and consistency, and a happy, regular digestive system is step one for a thriving gut microbiome. You can use them just like chia seeds. Soak them to make a pudding, or add them to drinks for a thick, fiber-rich boost. So there you have it. 7 powerful seeds, each with a unique set of nutrients to help fortify your gut and support your body's defense systems. We've covered flax, chia, sunflower sesame, pomegranate, pumpkin, and basil. The main takeaway here isn't that any one of these seeds is a miracle cure. It's about the power of a dietary pattern. The American Institute for Cancer Research emphasizes that a diet rich in a variety of plant foods, like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and beans, is what truly helps lower the risk for many cancers. Seeds are a vital and very easy part of that pattern. Studies consistently show that eating a wide variety of plants leads to a more diverse and resilient gut microbiome, which is better for your overall health. The beauty of these seeds is how simple they are to use. You can even make a super seed mix by combining equal parts of ground flax, chia, and pumpkin or sunflower seeds in a jar. Keep it in your fridge and sprinkle a tablespoon or two onto your meals all day long. Remember, building a healthier body is a long game, not a quick fix. By adding these nutrient-dense seeds to a balanced, plant-forward diet, you're taking a proactive and powerful step. You're nurturing the trillions of allies in your gut, helping to reduce inflammation and giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. You have the power to build a healthier you, one small, delicious seed at a time. Disclaimer: all content presented here is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized health guidance, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition.